Hello once again, good morning. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my exercise to lose belly fats. And let's do this. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys na ito ang isa sa favorite ko na exercise na mabawasan ang ating belly. You can do this 100 counts or more than that kung may time ka. At since ako ay oras na magawa ko, sabi ko siya daw. Ang ginagawa ko pagka hindi ako satisfied sa ating exercise, pagka-vacant ako, no work na ako, nag-exercise ko. Ulit-ulit mo talaga na gawin. So mostly ang aking exercise guys, kapag ka more than 1 minute, hindi ko yan siya nilalagyan ng music. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you in my next exercise. Isang exercise pa. Then, bago ko offline. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. See you in my next exercise.